For entering the lot details, click on to Guest Laundry, select lot, enter the room number and steward name. Also enter the item name and its quantity for the laundry purpose. You can select whether it needs to be washed or pressed, and the amount will automatically show according to the item name and its requirement. After entering the details, click on to Save option. Lot saved successfully. You can print this bill. For bill raising, click on to Guest Laundry and select Billing. Enter the room number. Once you enter the room number, the details of the laundry automatically fills up. Click on to Save option. Bill saved successfully. You can print this bill. For bill settlement, click on to Guest Laundry and select Settlement. Now enter the room number. Enter the total amount across the mode of payment. Click on to Save option. Settlement saved successfully. For viewing the item list with price, click on to Reports and select Item List. Now select View option. The laundry list along with its rate has been displayed. Click Escape to close the form. Lot entry, bill raising and bill settlement for housekeeping has been done successfully. Thank you.